Welcome to day 13 of the query folding challenge. For today's challenge, we are instructed to select email address, gender, and birth date for all employees with a birth date between the 1st of January 1990 and December 31st, 1990. We are to use the Adventure Works database and the employee table. Let's head over to Power BI. The first step, as usual, is to connect to the data source, which is a database. Select Adventure Works, select the employee table, click on OK, then click on OK to import the data. Up next, go to Choose Columns, click on Choose Columns, then select the columns of interest. For this challenge, we have to select birth date, gender, and email address. Click on OK after choosing the columns. What we need to do next is to filter this result. Go to birth date, click on the drop down arrow, go to date filter, choose between. For the start date, choose January 1st, 1990, and for the end date, choose December 31st, 1990. Click on OK. Now you have your results. Make sure you confirm that query folding is still happening. Query folding is working fine. Click on OK. Now click on Close and Apply to load your data. This could be maybe into Excel or maybe into Power BI. This brings us to the end of today's challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have a question or a comment, add it to the comment section. I'll read it, I'll reply you, or you can chat me up on Twitter. See you tomorrow.